Hello, friends. Once again, we welcome you on our channel, Shipping Inbox, in continuation of bringing an informative stories on shipping and maritime sector. Today, we are going to talk about world's largest fish factory ship arrived at Alang for ship recycling. The Divo, once the world's largest fish factory ship, arrived at Alang Ship Recycling Yard, plot number 169, Priya Blue Recyclers in India, marking the close of an era for the maritime giant. Originally built in 1980 as a crude oil tanker, the Divo was transformed into cutting-edge fish processing vessel in the year 2008, revolutionizing the fishing industry by integrating processing capabilities directly on board of the vessel. It's arrived at Erlang as synonyms with the large-scale ship recycling signals not only the end of significant chapter for the vessel but also the start of complex recycling process that will benefit local economy and broader industry. The Alang ship recycling yard, located on the west coast of India, is the one of the largest in the world and has been destination for the ship reaching at the end of their lifespan. With its extensive shipbreaking operation, Alang is a global leader in the dismantling of decommissioned vessels, where ships are carefully taken apart and their materials are salvaged for reuse. The Divo's presence here is a monumental event for both maritime and recycling sector. The Divo's journey began over 40 years ago as a crude oil tanker designed to transport vast quantity of oil across the ocean. However, in the year 2008, it responds growing demand for more efficient and large-scale seafood processing. The vessel was converted into fish factory. This conversion involved in ambitious overhaul transformed the Divo into the floating processing facility equipped with state-of-the-art machinery capable of handling large catches of fish, processing them on site, and storing them in refrigerated holds. The Divo's conversion was a game changer for the global fishing industry, particularly in Europe and Asia, where it was instrumental in supplying fresh seafood to markets worldwide. Unlike traditional fishing vessels, which would often have to return to land for processing, the Divo could stay at sea for the extended periods, processing its catch as it was brought on board. This innovation not only increased efficiency but also helped reduce need of land-based processing facilities, cutting down on transport and logistic cost. For more than 3 decades, the Divo sailed the sea, serving as a critical link in the supply chain for seafood. Its ability to process vast quantity of fish while still at sea allowed in the support of the ever-growing demand for seafood products, particularly in the era where the global appetite for fish was increasing. While the Divo design revolutionized the industry in the early 2000s, changing time and growing environmental concerns have led to the decision to retire the vessel. In recent years, the global fishing factory has faced increasing process and pressure to adopt more sustainable practices with strict regulation and a growing emphasis on protecting marine ecosystem. These changes have prompted the development of smaller, more efficient vessels and a shift towards the more responsible fishing practices, reducing need for massive ship factory ships like the Divo. Despite the decommissioning, Divo's contribution to fishing industry is undeniable. The ship was set new standard efficiency, technological innovation, and its legacy too will remember as the pivotal point in the evolution of global fisheries. The Divo stability process fish at sea enabled a more streamlined supply chain, providing fresh seafood to markets worldwide. all while reducing the environmental footprint associated with the land-based processing. Now the Alang ship recycling yard, the Divo will dismantle piece by piece. Ship breaking is a labor-intensive process that involves cutting through the steel hull, removing machinery, and salvaging usable materials. Along ship recycling operations are known for their efficiency, and experts predict that recycling of Divo components will provide valuable contribution to the local economy. Jobs will be created as the ships, steel, and other materials are repurposed for use in the various industry from construction to manufacturing. While the economic benefits are clear, environmentalists and industry stakeholders are watching the demolition closely. Shipbreaking can pose significant environmental risks, particularly if hazardous material are not handled properly. Advocates urging authorities to ensure that the dismantling of depots conducted in a manner that minimizes harm to the environment and protect the safety of workers. The depots arrival at Erlang signals the end of its operational journey, but also it serves as a reminder of the changing dynamic within the fishing industry. As new regulation sustainable practices continues to reshape the industry, the days massive fish factory ships like Divo may be remembered. However, the ship's legacy will endure as a symbol of innovation in its time, reflecting both achievements of the past and challenges of the future. As the dismantling process will begin, the Divo story comes to a close. But for the who but for those who worked on the ship as well as market is served, the Devos will remembered as a pioneering force that helped revolutionize the way seafood the harvested and processed. Its impact on global fishing industry will not forgotten, even as the industry continues to evolve in the new and more sustainably direction. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. We'll meet you with some another stories on shipping and maritime sector. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and do visit our web portal www.shippinginbox.com. Thank you very much.